In this video, I'll be showing you how you add an email to your Facebook account. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. To do that, you hop on your Facebook like this. You tap on the hamburger menu here. You see the arrow there, and now let's scroll to the bottom and let's move to settings. Let's tap on that. Good. And you can see account center here. Just tap on that to expand that. So on here, we scroll to the bottom here, you can see account settings and you can see personal details. Just tap on that, personal details, and you can see this here. This is your contact info, which is your email and your phone number. And you tap on add email, just tap on that like this. Good, you enter the email address. I don't have any email in mind, but let me try. Good. So after entering the email address, you tap on the next here. So now you have to confirm a code. It will be sent to the number you use to create your Facebook account, whether it's an email, a phone number, or that. You just confirm it and then you add that mail or the new mail to your Facebook account. It's very, very simple. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.